From your Pathmonk Intelligence menu, navigate to the Web Pages report. Here, you'll be able to filter each one of your pages and select the dates for which you want them analyzed. For every page analyzed, Pathmonk Intelligence provides page and server speed information, enabling a detailed comparison between the desktop and the mobile performance. This section highlights opportunities to improve mobile site speed, a critical aspect of mobile optimization. And it allows you to identify specific pages on your site that may be slow to load on a mobile device. Addressing these issues will improve a mobile user's experience. The Pathmonk score on the right side refers to the suitability of each KPI. This feature allows you to identify which pages perform optimally and which may require a little attention, so you can prioritize your optimization efforts effectively. Understanding the speed discrepancies between desktop and mobile experiences empowers you to pinpoint areas for improvement. This directly translates to a smoother, more engaging user experience and ultimately driving higher conversions. In the Buyer Persona Report, you'll gain valuable insight into how your typical customer connects with your business, whether it's through a desktop or a mobile device. This section of the report goes beyond the surface, offering a deeper understanding of your audience, and by focusing on demographic details and their unique conversion journeys, you'll uncover a rich tapestry of your customer personas. Another useful feature in the Buyer Persona Report is the Buyer Modalities Matrix. This section will equip you with a 360-degree view of your audience and actionable insights on how to engage them effectively. By embracing these insights, you can craft targeted strategies that not only resonate with your personas, but also lead to higher engagement and conversion rates, driving the success of your marketing efforts. Create a custom report and make it a habit to view your mobile reports in Pathmonk Intelligence. Continuously track your mobile optimization efforts, assess their impact, and refine your strategies based on data-driven insights.